Hello everyone, welcome back to Silk Pond. Today we are going to see some Maheshwari sarees. In this video, we are going to show you 3 different sets of Maheshwari saree. Set 1 Garba Rashmi, Set 2 Jute Pallu saree and Set 3 Jari Butti Paledar saree. Before we proceed, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon to get all notification of our upcoming videos. So let's begin. The one which I am wearing is Garba Rashmi saree with checkered weaving style, self-check in the body of the saree. Saree has very thin traditional lotus jari border and the pallu is short but which is traditional, and in the pallu there is a traditional lotus booty. The blouse of the saree is self in color. Saree is in double tone. This is one color of the Garba Rashmi which is emerald green. This is another color, pink with traditional pallu, self-checkered weaving style with thin jari border and self-color blouse. This is dark blue with this pallu, self-checkered pattern and self-color blouse. This is yellowish orange color, very bright color with traditional pallu, contrast pallu and contrast border. This is checkered weaving style and self color blouse. This is red rust in between color. This is traditional pallu with small lotus booty in the pallu. Should is a short pallu and self color blouse. So these are Garba Rashmi sarees. The price of the sarees is 3,900. I am giving the link of all the sarees in the description box. You can shop these sarees from our website. So let's move to next set of the sarees. This is Maheshwari Jute Pallu saree. Saree is in plain weaving with jute pallu and jari golden threads. Saree comes with jute blouse. This saree will look like this. This is dark green with jute pallu and jari stripe in the pallu. This is the blouse. Saree is with thin jari border. The color of the saree is in double tone, the green and blue. This is violet color saree with thin jari border and jute pallu. In the pallu there is a jari stripes and this is the blouse. Sari is in plain weaving. It's a single color. This is yellow, not too bright, not too dull. Again with jute pallu and cherry stripe in the pallu. This is the blouse. And the sari. So price of the sari is 2550. I'm giving the link of all these saris in the description box. You can shop this sari from our website. So let's move to next set of the saris. It's a plain weaving sari with jari patta border. In the pallu there is a leaf weaving jari weaving leaf booty. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse, the contrast blouse. This is one color. This yellow with green combination with jari border, plain weaving style. This is the pallu with jari motif, leaf motif, and contrast blouse. This is the pallu. This is green, mehndi green with jari border. This is the pallu. This is the blouse, contrast blouse. My favorite combination, black with red. The sari, the plain weaving sari with jari border, contrast border. This is the pallu and the contrast blouse. So the prices of the sari is 3150. I'm giving the link of all these saris in the description box. You can shop these saris from our website. If you are liking our collection, please like and share our video. Very soon we will meet in the next video with new collection. Till then, bye.